So SMART objectives, they're so much more than just an acronym, and they are vitally important if you want to get the best out of your performance management system. If you set truly SMART objectives at the start of the year, reviewing performance against them will be so much easier. If you're a company that is putting in place ratings, and you may even want to do performance related pay, it's vital that you have SMART objectives at the start of the year. Otherwise, comparing performance across the business will not be fair and just, and you just can't do performance related pay. So what is the SMART objective? Everyone knows the acronym, but it's not necessarily so easy to write one. It does take practice and it is a skill. So first of all, it needs to be specific. So specific means that whoever you are, you understand the meaning of it. It means that if your employee changes manager over the course of the year, the manager would also understand what it was that was expected. Specific is all about clarity, which we know is key to employee engagement. But not just specific, it should be stretching. That doesn't mean unachievable, it means something that stretches performance in the eye of your employee. It means that they think it's slightly challenging, and by that they've bought into it. Now, the best way to make something stretching is to ask the employee to decide what it is that they can do and how hard something is. Secondly, measurable. There needs to be a measure in there so that you can identify whether someone's achieved it and to what degree they've achieved it. It's also important to have a measure in place because that can allow you to measure overachievement or underachievement. They need to be achievable, stretching yet achievable. Now, this actually links to goal setting best practice. It's proven that objectives that the individual thinks are stretching but achievable are more motivational. But that needs to be agreed, which means that you and your employee have had a discussion together to identify what it is that that objective is. It means that they've bought into it. That's going to give you a much greater chance of business success. Relevance, well, business relevant. The person's objective needs to be aligned with business goals. So business relevant. And finally, of course, timed, so that you can identify when this person should have achieved it by, possibly even with timed milestones. And actually, some people even add a new version to SMART. Occasionally you see smarter objectives. So you want to make them smarter, you want to make sure that they're engaging and reviewable.